These cars become monsters when you mod them. Stock? Boring. Modded? Monsters. These 10 cars go from mild to menacing with the right mods. We're talking about budget beasts that can gap supercars with bolt-ons. Here are 10 cars that level up when you modify them. Number 10, Honda Civic SI, 8th and 9th gen. It starts with VTEC, ends with a turbo. Throw a turbo kit on a 9th gen SI and you're looking at 350 plus horsepower to the wheels. It's light, reliable, and will ruin WRX owners at stoplights. Number 9, Ford Mustang EcoBoost. Turbo 4-cylinder, but don't laugh yet. A tune, intercooler, and exhaust wakes this thing up fast. You can squeeze 100 plus extra horsepower and make it embarrass older GTs. Number 8, Volkswagen GTI, MK6 and MK7. From solid daily to hot hatch from hell, stage 1 or 2 tunes add serious punch. With bolt-ons and a good tune, it'll outpull stock STIs and keep up with M cars. Number 7, BMW 335i, E90, E92. Twin turbos, German anger. The N54 engine loves boost. Basic bolt-ons and a tune push it past 400 horsepower. Add meth injection or bigger turbos, and you've got a budget M3 killer. Number 6, Chevy Cobalt SS Turbo. You wouldn't expect much until it pulls on a Camaro. These are factory turbo with forged internals. Add intake, tune, and exhaust equals 350 horsepower sleeper rocket. Number 5, Subaru WRX/STI. Boxer rumble plus boost equals instant addiction. With a tune and basic mods, it becomes a rally rocket. Be careful though, blow the wrong gasket and it's game over. Number 4, Infiniti G37/Nissan 370Z. That VQ engine screams for mods. Intake, exhaust, headers, and a tune equals real gains. Want chaos? Supercharge it and start hunting Mustangs. Number 3, Mazda Miata, NA, NB. You think 130 horsepower is enough? No way. Slap on a turbo or supercharger and double the power. It turns this lightweight legend into a corner-carving missile. Number 2, Honda S2000. It revs to 9K stock, but if that's not enough, add boost. Turbo or supercharged S2Ks can make 500 plus horsepower. Just don't miss a shift. Number 1, Toyota 86/Subaru BRZ. They're built to slide, but not for speed. That's why most owners add boost. Turbo kits make them fast and dangerous, and with the right setup, they become drift monsters. Stock is safe, but if you want chaos, mods unlock the beast. Which car would you build into a monster? Comment below and hit subscribe. We drop new builds and breakdowns every Monday.